Hi everybody, in this lesson I'm gonna show you how to export your artboard. Let's say you want to export your artboard as a JPEG, but there are some objects over here outside of your artboard. If you simply make a JPEG, those items outside of the artboard will still appear in the JPEG when you save. Let me show you what I mean. Let's export it. Go to File, Export, Export As, save it here and click Export. Okay, let's see how it looks. There you go. As you can see, the JPEG includes every object in your image, but you don't want those objects outside of your artboard in your JPEG. Let's see. Let's go to File, Export, Export As, and it will show the export menu here. Let's click here. Right under here, where you can change the file name and the type, there is an option to use artboards. Click that box, then click Export, click OK, and this will allow you to export only what is inside your artboard. Now let me show you the difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.